one of the most significant things that you will see at the Indus AI Week Summit is robots. From rovers to 3D printers to actual humanoid robots. Meet Genesis. Genesis is fully developed within Pakistan and has been fully manufactured from the hardware to the software in Pakistan. It's a human assistance robot that is going to replace the receptions in most hotels as well as hospitals. Let's learn more about Genesis, exactly what are the use cases, what are the benefits, and we'll talk to the owners to learn more about it.
This robot has been developed indigenously within Pakistan. All the hardware and the software and the control systems have been developed indigenously in Pakistan. I have been approached by many people, by hotels, by hospitals, that they want this kind of the assistive robot in their vicinity. So they are asking me to deliver to them. But I always tell them this is just a prototype now. In the market, hopefully it will come into 6 months to 1 year, because now it's just a prototype. So we need some time to convert it into the full-fledged product so that people can easily buy it on the market.
This is 3D printer, and what we are making here is the keychain of our company logo. It is a very useful tool for us, and we can use this thing and for building different kind of stuffs like toys, some hardware equipment, some vehicle equipment according to our need.